In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple emails in Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. Give the page a moment to load so everything displays correctly. This ensures you're starting from the main Yahoo homepage, which makes it easy to find the mail area no matter what device or screen size you're using. Next, look to the top right and click the Sign In button. Log in to your Yahoo account as you normally would. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site before entering any details and complete any verification prompts if they appear. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought back to the Yahoo homepage. From there, click the mail icon in the top right. This opens Yahoo Mail and takes you into your mailbox. If Yahoo automatically opens mail for you after signing in, you can continue from there without doing anything extra. Inside Yahoo Mail, choose Inbox from the left-hand menu to see your main list of messages. This is where you'll do your selections. Wait for your emails to fully load so the selection boxes are available. To select multiple emails, look for the small checkbox to the left of each message in the list. Clicking a checkbox selects that email. You'll notice the row gets highlighted and action buttons appear at the top of the list so you can move, delete, archive, or mark messages as read. This is the most precise way to pick just the messages you want. You can continue checking messages one by one to build your selection. Take your time and confirm the right emails are selected before applying any action. If you make a mistake, you can uncheck a box to remove that message from the selection. And many actions in Yahoo Mail include an on-screen undo option right after you perform them. If you want to select everything that's visible at once, look to the very top left of the message list for the master checkbox. Clicking this selects all emails currently shown on the page. This is great for quickly cleaning up a batch of messages. Keep in mind that this typically selects the messages visible in the current view, not your entire inbox across multiple pages. If you've applied a filter, such as showing only unread emails, the Select All button will target everything currently displayed under that filter. That's it. You've learned how to select messages individually or select all with a single click so you can manage your inbox faster and with confidence.